What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hello fellow Stocktonians, today I just want to talk to you about why I think ARK Invest is going to add precision biosciences to their ARC-G fund. But before I explain my logic behind this bold statement, I just wanted to quickly do a bit of a recap as to how some of our stock picks have performed over the last week or two. I notified my Patreons about buying VJack yesterday. This is the Richard Branson SPAC, which is merging with 23andMe. And well, we're already up 20% over here. We also added Microvision about 2 weeks ago. This was before Dead Inside made a video about them, so we're up on that investment by nearly 50%. I also made a video a few weeks ago on CCIV when it was trading at around $15, and well, we're just over 100% on that investment. Right, now that's enough showboating for today. Let's get on with why I think ARK Invest might add Precision Biosciences to their ARC-G fund. Just a bit of a recap, I invested in Precision Biosciences when I made a video about them a few weeks ago, and we're up on that investment by about 8%. This was before ARK Invest published their Big Ideas 2021 report. After going over this report a few times, I've made the decision to buy more shares of Precision Biosciences. Let me explain why. So the section in this report that we're concerned about is Cell and Gene Therapy Generation 2. After reading this section multiple times, a few things stand out in terms of where gene editing and gene therapy is heading to in the future according to Cathy Wood. The first thing that they talk about here is that cancer therapies are shifting from liquid to solid tumors. So I naturally wanted to see whether this was on Precision Biosciences' radar and whether they have any plans of doing this in the future. And I was pleased to see this press release from a few months ago. Precision Biosciences and Servier expand CAR-T oncology development collaboration with 4 new programs targeting hematological and solid tumors. So it's great that they have 4 new programs focusing on solid tumors instead of liquid tumors, as this aligns with the overall vision that ARK Invest has for the future in this sector. The next important takeaway from this section is how ARK Invest thinks that oncology trials are shifting from autologous to allogeneic cell therapies. This is because it offers many benefits over autologous therapies. Some of these benefits include the cost, scalability, product consistency, ability to redose, and expanded access to the sickest patients. I therefore wanted to check whether Precision Biosciences uses allogeneic cell therapies or not. And if you check out their website and read a little about their approach to cancer immunotherapy, you'll come across this paragraph that makes it clear that they use allogeneic cell therapies. Currently approved chimeric antigen receptor CAR-T cell therapies have demonstrated dramatic efficacy in some cancers. However, these patient-derived autologous CAR-T products have several important limitations, including patient access, cost, and safety concerns. Many experts in the field believe off-the-shelf or allogeneic CAR-T to be the future of cell therapy. Using ARCUS, we have developed a novel allogeneic CAR-T platform we hope will enable us to bring the potential benefits of CAR-T to more patients. So right now, we're 2 out of 2. What I mean is we're 2 out of 2 in terms of Precision Biosciences being in line with the overall vision that ARK Invest has for the future in this space. The third main point that ARK Invest highlights in this report is that gene therapies could shift from ex vivo to in vivo editing. In case you don't know what these terms mean, ex vivo modifies a patient's cell outside the body and then transplants them back into the patient. In vivo gene therapy modifies a patient's cells inside the body. So again, I wanted to check whether Precision Biosciences uses an ex vivo approach or the preferred in vivo approach. And again, I was glad when I read this paragraph from their website. Unlike some gene editing technologies that were designed primarily as research tools and subsequently engineered for therapeutic use, ARCUS was designed with therapeutic safety, delivery, and control in mind, We believe our ARCUS platform has several significant advantages for use directly in vivo. Highly specific ARCUS platform, potential to treat a wide range of diseases, ease of delivery. So basically what they're saying is that they have an in vivo approach as well. So that's 3 out of 3. And this next and final slide here talks about the total addressable market that allogeneic immunotherapies could create. The combination of cell therapy innovation and allogeneic cells could add an additional 150 billion and increase the overall total addressable market for oncology gene therapy by roughly 20-fold to more than 260 billion. In vivo gene therapy could enable gene editing to cure thousands of rare diseases over time. So basically, it's a 260 billion market opportunity for precision biosciences, which currently has a market cap of only 800 million. So just imagine how high the share price can go in the future if they continue to execute on their business plans. So this is the reason why I plan on doubling down on my position on precision biosciences. I just feel like the market opportunity for this company is huge. When you couple this market opportunity with the fact that this company is already checking all of the boxes when it comes to the future of cell and gene therapy according to ARK Invest, it makes it a compelling buy. Going through this report has further increased my conviction in precision biosciences and why I think it's only a matter of time before ARK Invest adds this to their ARCG fund. If you want a more detailed breakdown of what the company actually does, you can check out the video I made about them a few weeks ago. I'll put the link in the description. Anyways guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.